Now if you're having a BMW X3 F25 and the E83, this is a common problem that you need to be aware of. If you're a mechanic and you have clients with BMWs, you have to take very cautious of braking lights, especially the rear right. Now this is the rear left, and usually the brake light assembly usually allows in water intrusion. So if we are going to the other side of the braking light, which we have removed, this is the exact of what I'm talking about, and this is the brake intrusion, water coming into the light. So it enters from the above, which is the outer housing of this braking light, and it affects especially the braking lines which have a short circuit, and it makes this bulb to blow always. So it's a common problem, and the solution to this problem is to let this piece, which is the rear light assembly, you have to seal it with glass silicone, which holds it very tight to keep it safe from being from allowing water inside. So this upper part of the light, which you are seeing there, that line, that's where the water comes in and it affects the circuit board. Also, that electronic circuit board usually is short-circuited by water that ingresses inside and causes a short circuit, and if a short circuit happens on those, it will cause those lights not to go. We out.
Made in Germany. Das war mal ein Begriff. Die Welt hat uns bewundert für unsere Produkte, für unseren Erfindungsreichtum, die natürlich entspringt aus einem vernünftigen Bildungssystem. Gut ausgebildet.